Hello, and welcome to tomorrow's Pranayama practice. Today we're going to be talking about and doing some exercises with alternate nostril breathing. So what is alternate nostril breathing? Great question, imaginary audience. Alternate nostril breathing is a really great breathing exercise for folks who are just starting out in their breathing yoga meditation practice. It really helps to calm down the central nervous system, and it's a great practice for folks who suffer from anxiety like I do. So this is something that I try to practice as often as possible, and I'm going to share my practice with you. It's a pretty simple exercise, although the finger placement can be tough for some folks. As you may see, I have managed to sprain my finger doing a headstand, my first yoga injury. So I'm not going to be doing exactly what you're supposed to do, but I will show you that. Usually what you do is you cover one nostril, so you kind of have to fold down your first two fingers, and what you're using are your thumb and your ring finger. So the way it would work is thumb, ring finger, thumb, ring finger. If this is difficult for you, or if you have an injury like I do, you can do a hang five. That might be a little bit easier. So thumb, ring finger. Usually I'm a righty, so I would usually use my right hand, but I can't really bend it, so I'm going to use my left hand. So the way that this practice works is you're going to alternate breathing in with your nostrils. So there's not going to be any breathing out through your mouth. It's all going to be through our nose. You're going to take in air in your right nostril. You're going to cover your nostril and take in air. Actually, I'm sorry. You're going to cover your left nostril and take in air through your right nostril. You're going to count for 4 as you take in air. Once you are at the top, you're going to close your nose and then exhale out of the same nostril for 4. And then as you exhale, you're going to switch nostrils. So let me demonstrate. So I'm going to lead you in your practice now. So I want you to have your fingers ready, and you're going to close off your left nostril and breathe in through your right nostril for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to hold at the top and breathe out for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch fingers and breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top for 1 and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top for 1 and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and switch. Breathe in for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold for 1. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I invite you to try it at your own pace, at your own rhythm. Maybe the 4 count's going to be a little faster, maybe it'll be a little slower. And I invite you to stick with it. It does feel a little awkward when you first begin, but once you continue practicing, you'll see it's a really good centering and calming breath. It really helps you focus on your breathing and stops your mind from running and playing games with itself, and really focuses your attention on the nose area, on your breath, how it goes in and out. I hope you enjoyed this pranayama practice. Have a good one.